Hello students, myself Mrs. Sheetal Chauhan from New Catholic Mission School Jhapwa. Welcome you again in your maths class. Today we are going to continue our 11th chapter mensuration. So in our previous video I already explained you its introduction as well as exercise 11.1 and 11.2. Today we have to start exercise 11.3. So let's see now exercise 11.3. So here you have given there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. So which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Now children, here what is given? Two boxes are given. One is in the shape of cuboid and other is in the shape of cube. So here you have to ask that in which box less amount of material is need. Okay. So we have to find कि किसमें कम material use हो रहा है. For that we have to find its total surface area. Means हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ किसी एक particular region की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. If we want to find only one region then we have to find its area. But we have to find here कितना मटेरियल यूज़ हो रहा है उसे बनाने में, दैट वन वी हैव टू फाइंड. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड इट्स टोटल सरफेस एरिया. सो वी नो दैट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, इट्स फॉर्मूला इज 2 ब्रैकेट लेंथ इंटू हाइट प्लस ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट प्लस एल इंटू बी, मीन्स एल बी प्लस बी एच प्लस HL, okay, where L, B and H are length, breadth and height. Okay, so second one, total surface area of cube, that also we know it is 6L square, where L is the side of cube. Now we have to put the value of the given data in from the question. So we have given in cuboid its length, breadth and height, that is 16 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter, and in cube all sides are same, that is of 50 centimeter. So we put the value in the formula one by one. So first we find the total surface area of cuboid. So it is 2, then bracket length multiplied by height. So 60 into 40 plus breadth multiplied by height, that is 40 into 50 plus L into B, that is 50 multiplied by 60. So we get that 2 outside the bracket, then 6 4s are 24, that means 2400. Then 4 into 5 it is 20. So it means it comes 2000 plus 5 into 6 it is 30 and this 2 0, that means 3000. So we get 2400, 2000 and 3000. So we have to add all. So what we get? 7400. So 2 multiplied by 7400. So we get 14,800 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of cuboid. Now we have to find total surface area of cube. So we know the formula, it is 6L square, where L is the side of cube. Now side of cube is given, it is 50 centimeter. So 6 into 50 centimeter square, that means 6 into 50 into 50. Now we multiply all three. So we get 15,000 centimeter square. Now you have to compare which one is less. So 14,800 is less than 15,000. It means this is total surface area of cuboid and this is of cube. It means the cuboidal box will require less amount of material. Means cuboid का material क्या होगा? Less. Okay. Now let's see its question number 3. Now in question number 3rd, you have given find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. अब आपको क्या गिवन है? सरफेस एरिया गिवन है. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड इट्स साइड ऑफ क्यूब. सो here again we have to use the formula. So children, you have to learn and write all the formulas. So we know that surface area of cube, it is given 600 centimeter square. Now let the length of each side of cube is L. हमने क्या कंसीडर कर लिया कि जो क्यूब है उसकी लेंथ कितनी है? L. Which one we have to find? So surface area of cube, we know the formula, it is 6 into side square. Now surface area is given in the question, its value is 600. So we put the value 600 equal 6L square. Now this L value we have to find. So we have to transpose this 6 on other side. So L square equal 600 divided by 6. Now 600 divided by 6, it means 6 ones are 6 and this 2 0. So it comes L square equal 100 centimeter square. Now L square is 100 centimeter square. So this square, when it will transpose there on other side, then it will change into square root. Okay. So we have to find the square root of 100 and square root chapter we learn. 100 का square root क्या होगा? It is 10 because 10 into 10 it is 100. So square root of 100 it is 10 centimeter. So L is 10 centimeter. It means the side of a cube is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now let's see its next question. Question number 5. Okay. Now in 5th question, you have given Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall. The length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. अब आपको क्या given है बेटा? You have given कि Daniel को क्या करना है? अपनी वॉल और सीलिंग को पेंट करना है and its length, breadth, height all is given in the question. Then from each cane of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. अब जो cane है, from one cane 100 meter square area is to be painted. Means उससे एक cane से 100 meter square का area paint हो सकता है. Then you have to find how many canes of paint will she need to paint the room. अब उसे पूरे रूम को पेंट करने के लिए कितने कैंस की ज़रूरत होगी? हाउ मेनी कैन शी रिक्वायर्ड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट गिवन. व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन? दैट इज लेंथ इज 15 मीटर, breadth is 10 meter and height is 7 meter. Now she has to painted the wall as well as she has to painted the ceiling. So area of the hall to be painted equal area of the wall plus area of the ceiling. दोनों का area हम find करेंगे. So we know the formula for finding area of the wall. It is 2 bracket length plus breadth into height. Okay. So same formula we use here, 2 into h bracket length plus breadth plus now ceiling having only length and breadth. Okay. So formula of ceiling is L into B. Then we add both of them. So now we put the value of length, breadth and height in the formula. So 2 into 7 bracket length plus breadth, that is 15 into 10 plus L into B, that is 15 multiplied by 10. So it comes 2 sevens are 14 and 15 plus 10 it is 25. So 14 multiplied by 25 plus 15 into 10 it is 150. So after multiplying 14 with 25, and then we have to add 150. So we are getting here 500 meter square. Now it is given that 100 meter square area can be painted from each cane. क्या given है आपको कि एक cane से कितना area covered हो रहा है 100 meter square and we have to find number of canes. So number of canes required to paint an area of 500 meter square. अब total area कितना paint किया है उसने 500 meter square. So we have to find number of canes. So 500 meter square divided by 100 meter square. Now 500 divided by 100, that means 100 5s are 500. So 5 canes are required to paint the wall and ceiling of cuboidal hall. Okay. So in this way we can find number of canes. Now let's see its next question. Question number 7. Here you have given a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 centimeter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. अब क्या दिया है बेटा, एक closed cylindrical tank है. Tank किस फॉर्म में है, cylindrical फॉर्म में, and it is closed. Closed means वो ऊपर से भी close है और नीचे से भी close है, and it is made up from a metallic sheet. है ना, मेटल की शीट से वो सिलेंडर प्रिपेयर किया है. देन हाउ मच शीट ऑफ मेटल इज रिक्वायर. तो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है कि टोटल कितना शीट उसके लिए ज़रूरत होगी. हाउ मच शीट इज रिक्वायर्ड. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड इट्स टोटल सरफेस एरिया. मीन्स उसका पूरा एरिया हमें फाइंड करना होगा, एंड इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड total surface area of cylinder. So we know the formula of total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder, it is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Okay. अब यहाँ r क्या है, r is the radius of cylinder and h is the height of cylinder. So we put the value. Radius you have given how much? Radius you have given 7 meter, okay, and height you have given 3 meter. So we put the value in the formula. So 2 pi value we know it is constant, it is 22 upon 7. So 2 into 22 upon 7, radius is 7 centimeter. Then in bracket radius is 7 and height is 3. So 7 plus 3. Now 7 plus 3 it is 10. This 7 and this 7 also get cut. Then 2 into 22 it is 44 and 44 multiplied by 10. So what we get? 440 meter square. So 440 meter square metallic sheet is required. Okay, and this is our required answer also. Now let's see question number 8. So in 8th question you have given the lateral surface of a hollow cylinder. It is 4224 centimeter square. Now it is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. So find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. अब आपको क्या दिया है, the one hollow cylinder is given. अब hollow का meaning क्या होता है, that is open from top and bottom, and we have given its lateral surface area. आपको उसका lateral surface area given है, it is 4224 centimeter square. Then it cuts along its height, उसे उसकी height से cut किया गया है, and it convert into the form of rectangular sheet जिसकी width कितनी है 33 centimeter. So we have to find its perimeter. So let's see by this example. Like this is a sheet of paper. Now I am making one hollow cylinder from it. Okay. So this one is the hollow cylinder. It is open from top and bottom, and its lateral surface area is given in the question, which is 4224. Now this hollow cylinder is cut along from its height. इसको क्या किया गया है, इसकी हाइट से कट किया गया है. So we cut it from its height, then it convert into the form of rectangular sheet. तो ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया, एक रेक्टेंगुलर शीट में. अब इस रेक्टेंगुलर शीट की आपको विड्थ गिवन है, इट्स विड्थ इज गिवन 33 सेंटीमीटर. तो अब आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, इसका पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द बाउंड्री ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल. ओके, तो पेरीमीटर फॉर्मूला वी नो, इट इज 2 इंटू लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. अब आपके पास ब्रेथ तो है, विड्थ मीन्स इट्स ब्रेथ इज गिवन, but we don't have its length. So first of all we find its length. So let's see. So a hollow cylinder is cut along its height to form a rectangular sheet. जैसे कि मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर ही दिया कि किस तरह से होलो सिलेंडर को हमने कट किया, then it get convert into a rectangular sheet. Now एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर, एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर किसके इक्विवेलेंट हो गया, इसलिए एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर शीट. दोनों क्या हो गए, इक्वल, क्योंकि उसी को आपने कट किया है. देन इट्स ओपन एंड कन्वर्ट इनटू अ रेक्टेंगुलर शीट. सो एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर इट इज इक्वल एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर शीट. नाउ एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन which is 4224. Now area of rectangle, we know what is area of rectangle, it is length multiplied by breadth. So width you have given, so width into length. Now length we have to find, so this 33 transpose on other side, so it is 4224 divided by 33, so we get 128 centimeter. Now 128 centimeter is the length of rectangle. Thus the length of rectangular sheet is 128 centimeter. But we have to find its perimeter. हमें उसका perimeter find करना है. So perimeter of rectangular sheet it is equal to bracket length plus breadth. So we use here its formula. Then 2 length we find already, it is 128 and breadth is 33. So 128 plus 33. So it comes 161. So 2 multiplied by 161. So what we get? 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, carry 1 and 2 ones are 2, it is 2 plus 1, it is 3. That means 322 centimeter, and this is the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so let's see now next question. Question number 10. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base having diameter 14 centimeter and height is given as 20 centimeter. So company place a label. अब कंपनी ने क्या किया है, उसके अराउंड एक लेबल को लगाया है, दैट इज अराउंड द सरफेस ऑफ कंटेनर एज शोइंग इन द फिगर. इफ द लेबल इज प्लेस्ड 2 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम टॉप एंड बॉटम. अब लेबल को किस तरह से प्लेस किया है कि वो 2 सेंटीमीटर टॉप से और बॉटम से इतना उसका एरिया छूटा हुआ है, मीन्स 2 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम अप एंड फ्रॉम बॉटम. देन what is the area of the label? तो आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, you have to find the area of the label. So first we find the height of the label. Total height is given, it is 20 centimeter, but it is placed 2 centimeter from top and 2 centimeter from bottom. So 20 minus 2 again minus 2, so 20 minus 4, so it comes 16 centimeter. So 16 centimeter is the height of the label. Now radius of the label it is given 14 centimeter. So 14 divided by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Now label is in the form of cylinder as it is placed around the bottle, that means it is in the form of cylinder. So we have to use the formula of area of cylinder. So area of the label, it is equal to pi r h. Okay. So radius you have given, it is 7 centimeter, and height we find it is 16 centimeter. So we put the value. So 2 into 22 upon 7, radius is 7 and height is 16. Now we have to solve it. 7 and 7 get cut and these all three get multiplied. So we get 704 centimeter square, that is the area of the label. Okay. Now let's see exercise 11.4. So see its question number 3rd. Here you have given a cuboid of dimensions 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter. आपको एक क्यूबॉइड दिया है जिसका डायमेंशन गिवन है, दैट मीन्स इट्स लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट इज गिवन. नाउ यू हैव टू find here how many small cubes whose side is 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid. अब एक bigger cuboid है and in that cuboid you have to place cube, उसमें आपको cubes रखना है और जिसकी आपको साइड गिवन है 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड कि आप कितने क्यूब्स उस क्यूबॉइडल बॉक्स में रख सकते हैं. ओके. सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट वी फाइंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. अब आपको पता है उसके अंदर रखना है, मतलब हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए उसका वॉल्यूम, उसकी कितनी कैपेसिटी है, उसके अंदर कितने क्यूब्स आ सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड एज वेल एज वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब. Because volume we know it is the capacity, means उसके अंदर कितनी चीज़ें आ सकती, कितनी quantity आ सकती, that is its volume. So volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height. So we get 60 into 54 into 30, that is 97,200 cubic centimeter. Now side of cube is 6 centimeter, that is given in the question. So a volume of cube, it is side cube because all three sides are same. So 6 cube, that means 6 into 6 into 6. So we get 216 cubic centimeter. Now required number of cubes. So it is volume of cuboid divided by volume of cubes. So volume of cuboid, it is 97,200 divided by 216. So on dividing we get 450. So 450 cubes हम cuboids में, cuboidal box में रख सकते हैं. It can be placed in the given cuboid. Okay. Now it's question number 4. Find the height of cylinder whose volume is. Now you have given volume, that is 1.554 cubic meter. And diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. अब आपको diameter given है, that is 140 centimeter. Now children remember that if units are not given same, then you have to make their unit same by converting them in the same unit. So here you are observing volume is given in cubic meter and diameter is given in centimeter. So we have to make one of them convert in the other unit and in the same unit. So diameter is 140 centimeter. So we find its radius. So diameter, that means half of, radius is half of diameter, that means 140 divided by 2. So we get 70 centimeter. Now this is in centimeter. Now convert it into meter. So we know 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. That's why 70 divided by 100. So now it convert into meter. Now volume, अब आपको इसमें फाइंड वॉल्यूम गिवन है, हाइट हमको फाइंड करना है. सो वी यू हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ वॉल्यूम. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर, इट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. So volume value we put here 1.54 equal pi value 22 upon 7 r square. That means radius you have to write 2 times 70 upon 100 into 70 upon 100 into h value we have to find. Now you have to transpose, ये जितने अभी डिनोमिनेटर में है इट विल गो इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ठीक है, एंड न्यूमरेटर जो नंबर्स अप साइड हैं दे विल कम्स इन डिनोमिनेटर. वो ट्रांसपोजिंग होने के बाद अप साइड नंबर चले जाएंगे डाउन में एंड डाउन साइड नंबर गोज इन अप साइड. सो 1.54 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 divided by 22 upon 7 because this 20 get cut from this 20. Now we have to solve this. So after solving we get height equal 1 meter. So here height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Now question number 5th. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. So find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. अब आपको क्या गिवन है कि एक मिल्क टैंक है विच इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिलेंडर एंड इट्स हाइट एंड रेडियस बोथ इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज 1.5 मीटर एंड हाइट इज 7 मीटर. देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मिल्क इन लीटर. अब आपको ये फाइंड करना है कि कितने लीटर मिल्क इट कैन बी स्टोर्ड, उसके अंदर कितना लीटर मिल्क आ सकता है. क्वांटिटी आपको फाइंड करना है, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड इट्स वॉल्यूम. सो रेडियस ऑफ सिलेंडर इज 1.5 मीटर एंड हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर इट इज 7 मीटर. सो वी हैव टू यूज फॉर्मूला वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर, दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. So pi 22 upon 7, radius 1.5 into 1.5 and height is 7. Now we have to solve it. So we get 49.5 cubic meter. But in question you have to ask find the quantity in liters. तो cubic meter को आपको लीटर में convert करना है. So 1 cubic meter equal 1000 liter. So 49.5 multiplied by 1000, so we get 49,500 liter, that converted into liter. So that much amount of milk can be stored in the tank. Okay, now see its next question, question number 7th. Now here you have given water is pouring into the cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. Means एक क्यूबॉइडल रिजर्वायर है जिसके अंदर पानी को डाला जा रहा है एंड इट इज़ पोर एट द रेट ऑफ 60 लीटर्स पर मिनट. मीन्स एक मिनट में इन 1 मिनट 60 लीटर वाटर कैन बी पोर. सो इफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ रिजर्वायर, आपको रिजर्वायर का वॉल्यूम दिया है कि इट कैन कंटेन 108 क्यूबिक मीटर ऑफ वाटर, इतना उसकी क्वांटिटी है, वॉल्यूम है. सो फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ आवर्स इट विल टेक टू फिल द रिजर्वायर. तो उस रिजर्वायर को फिल होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, कितना आवर्स लगेंगे, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइडल रिजर्वायर इट इज़ 108 cubic meter. Now it is given in cubic meter and this is in liter. So we convert this cubic meter into liter. So we know 1 cubic meter equal 1000 liter. So 108 multiplied by 1000. So we get 108 into 1000. So we get 108,000. Now it is given that water is poured at the rate of 60 liter per minute. अब आपको दिया है कि एक मिनट में 60 लीटर वाटर पोर हो रहा है. सो दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड नंबर ऑफ आवर्स, हमको उसको आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो वी नो दैट 1 आवर इक्वल 60 मिनट, दैट्स वाई दैट 60 multiplied by 60. So we get 3600 liters to fill the reservoir. So this was the last question of the chapter. Now your chapter get over, and now we will meet in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.